Hello po ulit sa inyo. Another mini vlog ulit tayo. Crayon. Which ball? Shopping are included. Being right there. Did you see? Did you see opening right there? It's not open right there. It's just over there. And then a lot of 8 times and 8, 60, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, and 64. That's a lot of Crayola, but did you see so many Crayolas? Hey Crayola, that is you. Just remind you. And a lot of Crayola crayons. But Crayola crayons. But okay. But no, Megan, Tawa, Chicken. And put it to the other crayon box. You can see wild strawberry, but this is the white strawberry, so you can see it, but the white strawberry is right there. Let's check but what is called brick red. Did you see brick red? Just a little bit. Okay, put the ball. What? Bittersweet. Bittersweet. Did you see? Bittersweet. Burn oil. Did you see? Burn oil. Naranja green. Burn oil. Naranja blue. But did you see the Crayola was in a new pictures? And let's check it out. Gold. Why the picture is color white? Did you see this? Gold. I like gold crayon. Only bottle. And next is boring green. Yoo-hoo! Okay. Oh, asparagus. Okay, we need one more time is Robin's egg blue. Did you see Robin's egg blue? There's no olive green. Turquoise blue. Twinkle. Ow, ow. Paper blue. Look up paper blue. Okay. Try one more time, please. plum. Not milkweed. Orchid. Tickle me pink. Silver. Okay, the basic completed. Now the second one. Salmon. Salmon. Did you find CRAYOLA Queen 64? After a year, marvelous. What Vienna? Vienna. Vienna. What they wanted. Sorry. The color name is Sticky Place and Vienna and Polyworthy. Tumbleweed. This is mahogany. Golden mod. Golden one. It looks like a dandelion. Green, yellow, green. Sea green. Granny meat apple. Fern. Cornflower. Macaroni and cheese. Purple Mountain mac and cheese. Lavender. And let's go with the 34. Scarlet. Violet red. And let's check is melon. Apricot. Peach. Tan. Green, yellow for the 24 crayons. Dot is okay. K the blue. Sky blue. Bluebell. Cerulean. Indigo. Wisteria. Chestnut. gray, blue. Okay. Red. Wait. Red. Okay. Red. Wait. Oh, sorry. Red. Wait. Red, orange. Oh, sorry. Red, wait. Red, orange. 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 Yellow, orange. Yellow. Yellow, green. Green. Blue, green. Blue. Blue, violet. Violet. Red, violet. Pink, carnation pink. Brown. Black. But white. But only four. This is the one. Okay. Until next step. If you like to subscribe, goodbye for the watching. Don't forget to like, follow, and share. Bye-bye po!